guys, how are you today? Today I have McDonald's. At last I have a chance to eat McDonald's. I have fries. This one is a McChicken. This is McNugget. This is tea ice. And this is complimentary from McDonald's. Is a chocolate sundae. Yummy yummy. Let's get started. And I have chili sauce here, and this is, what is it, salted egg sauce. Don't know what taste is it. Never mind, let's get started. I'm so hungry. Okay, I put this down. Guys, McDonald's. Oops. And fries. I love fries. Do you love McDonald's fries? And this is burger. McChicken. You know guys, all these things is under promotion. This is promotion. All this is a complimentary, and this one is just also it's a promotion, because I buy the promotion set. I can get this one a lots cheaper. Okay, and how to open? Sorry. Yes. Wow. The thing is salted egg flavor. You see guys? You can see? Wow. Okay. Start with my tea drink. I can start this one first because it's already melting. Sundae chocolate, guys. Oh. Nice, guys. Nice. Wow, it's so refreshing. It's a vanilla ice cream with the chocolate sauce. But wait, the superhero are all these fries, guys. Chili sauce here. Wow. Let me try this. Don't know what taste is it. Salted egg. Nice. Salted. Nugget, guys. See nugget? Yeah. Have a first bite, guys. Yummy, guys. Oh. Chicken nugget. chicken nugget. Yeah. I think I should put my sauce here. Yeah, why am I so stupid? Yeah. Wow. And my Wow. Nice, guys. What did I have for your lunch today? No, I still prefer McDonald's fries. What do you think, guys? Go no. I'm so hungry. McDonald's nugget. It's going to melt. It's okay, never mind. It's so nice. Do you like McDonald's fries? Wow. Nice. Oh, no sauce. Wow. I request for other sauces like sweet and sour, black pepper, honey mustard. All don't have except this one. Never mind. It still tastes good. Very nice, this one. I have been so many months I didn't have a McDonald's. Oh. So satisfying. Yummy. Outside is a sunny day, so I lazy to go out anywhere. That's why I have McDonald's. How is your weather in your hometown or in your area? Wow. Hi guys, you see, it's melting. Wow. What the chocolate. You see the chocolate, guys? Nice. Wow. I have an idea, guys. What is the taste of it, guys? Not bad. Fries with vanilla ice cream. Good, guys. Good to try. But I still prefer fries with chili sauce. Chicken and is nice. Very juicy. Very nice. I love fries. Well, okay, guys. What is this? Yeah, McChicken. I'll let you see, guys. Got veggie, cabbage, got chicken, got mayo. Wow. Okay. Let me not enough with sauce. See enough. That will do. Never mind. The first bite, guys. McChicken from McDonald's. Hey, my turn. Wow. Nice. The bun is so soft. It's still warm. The chicken is so juicy. Wow. And the cabbage are so fresh. I'm enjoying my fries. Mm. 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 Wow, nice. Mm. You see, guys, 2 thumbs up. It's marvelous. And boom. Mm. 5 star. So nice. Okay. Okay. Let's move this. Come here. And these 2 babies. But it's melting, guys. Wow. There are 2 flavors for this sundae. This is a chocolate and one is strawberry. Which one do you prefer? Oh, ha 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 ha. A great dessert. It's a complimentary. Maybe you guys go and check it out. How to get a complimentary ice cream from McDonald's. You already know that. Give us a comment in the comment section below. You want to know how to get a complimentary? Give a comment at the comment section below. If you do like my channel, do like my video or channel, do subscribe and give a thumbs up to my channel video and give some comments at the below section. And I'm enjoying this. Wow, I'm full. Thanks, guys. Wow. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time guys. Bye. I love you. Mwah. Bye.